Articles. Articles are three: a and the. A and an are used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. Example is I need a phone. It is used the first time when we introduce an object. Example is I saw a movie last night. So if it is not a specific thing, so you will use a or an, and it is used for singular. The is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. So we give a specific name, that time we use the. Example, can you give me the books on the table? So article the will be used for singular and plural. It is used when we mention the object again. If the object is mentioned already, so second time we use the before the noun. The movie is based on a real life incident. So you will remember a and an are used for singular, for non-specific thing, and the is used for specific thing and singular and plural. So we will see the next thing. Now we will see the uses of a or an. How to use it? So first, a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Examples are here: a man, a lamp, a cat. An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples are an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. Here are some rules: that a or an should agree with the first sound in the adjectives or the adverb adjective combination which stands before a noun. Example is here, an 80-year-old man. So 80. So a sound will come, so we will write an. A golden necklace. G sound is there, so we will write a. Pretty girl. A pretty girl. So you will remember it. We use a before words, letters, numbers which sound like the beginning with consonant sound, even if the first letter is vowel. A euro. Euro spelling is from E, but the sound is Y. A university. The sound is U, so we write a. A one. One, the spelling is from O, but the sound is V. We use an before words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel, even if the first letter is a consonant, like an hour, an F, and 8. So the spelling will be from vowel, but the sound is a consonant. So you all will remember these rules. We will see the. So the is used for invention. Okay, if someone has invented something, so you will use the before the invention. Then a uniqueness, for showing the uniqueness we use the. Then if comparative degree is there, double comparative degree, at that time you will use the. For seas and oceans, before those nouns you will use the. In superlative degree, or if the rank is given, you will use the. For group of people, if we count the whole class in a group, so we will use the. Then sometimes we use before some countries' names when we use it as plural, so we use the before it. Then for mountain ranges we use the. So here are the rules. You will remember to see the given examples here and you will understand it. After this, now we will do one exercise here. So I think you all are ready. I had blank egg and blank glass of milk for breakfast. So one egg and one glass of milk is there. So we will write an egg and a glass of milk. Second number, blank leopard which escaped from blank zoo has been caught. So we describe the leopard here. So leopard is described here. So we will write the leopard and the zoo. Third number, have you finished reading blank book you borrowed last week? So book is described here. Book has a specific name here, that the book which borrowed last week. So the will come. This is story you will enjoy. This is a story you will enjoy. Okay? Then fifth number, blank rabbit was hiding in blank bush. When we went near blank bush, blank rabbit ran away. Here everywhere the will come because the rabbit is a main character here we are talking about. Okay, and after near the bush will come, in the bush will come. So for places we will use the. Blank girl you met is my niece. Here the girl is described, so the will come. Can you shut the door? So here door is specified, so the will come. Please open the window. Who spilled ink on the carpet? So after preposition the will come here, on the carpet. It was blank unforgettable experience. So for adjective, I told you just suitable for adjective we will write here an unforgettable experience. Jane is blank most intelligent student in class. So the most will come because for superlative, and in the class because for after preposition we will write the. India is blank largest democracy in the world. So in blank world means in the world. So the largest, and after in the will come. So I hope you understood. You all are having your answer. Check it. If you have doubt you can ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.